Hello guys, this is Muhammad Rafiq with you. You can't see NVMe hard disk while you try to install Windows 11 on your new PC and you got stuck on this page. No worries, here is the fix. In this tutorial, let me show how to fix it. Here, in this new laptop, I'm trying to install Windows 11 on it. And here, in this page, select the location to install Windows 11, cannot able to see hard disk details. And if I click refresh, nothing changes. If I click load driver, also no changes. And I click browse drivers, nothing listed. So, for fixing this issue, just close this window. While restarting the system, press F10 or F2 continuously for opening BIOS settings. Okay. Now the system BIOS is opened. Here, go to Configuration page. Find for SATA emulation, press Enter and change RAID to AHCI. It will show some warning. Changing the mode of SATA emulation might prevent the system from booting up successfully and could result in data lose. Here, F10 to complete the change. Again, press F10 and press Enter to save the process and exit from BIOS window. Okay, now the system is restarting. Continue the Windows 11 installation setup. Here, select Language and click Next. Here, I'm selecting Install Windows 11 and click Next. Here, I will enter the product key. Click on Next. Here, in this license agreement, click on Accept. Now you can see that the hard disk shows here. Okay, now I will delete all the partitions from here, and I will create new partition from it. And it automatically created System and MSR and unallocated space from it. And select the partition where you want to install Windows 11. Click on Next. Here shows that Windows 11 is ready to install. Click on Install. Proceed the installation. Now you can see that Windows 11 installation is started, and you can continue the installation. That's all guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.